Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Aakriti Yunas, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I spend my day while social distancing and staying at home. But the title should actually be like what I do throughout the day apart from Netflix and Hotstar and stuff like that, because if I show you that, the video will be like 70% that, or maybe like 80% or 90%. Let's get into the video. I just woke up. Anyway, I've started waking up early, and by early I mean 7, 8, and that's because I was waking up whenever and I felt lazy the whole day. And it just doesn't work for me. So I've started waking up early and starting my day with yoga and meditation, and it feels so good. So after yoga, I like to spend 15 to 20 minutes of my time in devotion, and for that I read my Bible and a book called Daily Life. I really like to do that because I truly believe in it, and I think we should always find time for the things we truly believe in. The best part about being at home is that you can have unlimited self-care days, and I am feeling a face mask right now. For that I am going to apply this sheet mask, and this brand is great because it's cruelty free. One thing you can do is that you can beauty call your friends. You all can like video call and then apply face masks and even do makeup. It will kill your time and you'll have fun. Some girls look so cute in face mask, and here I am looking like this. It's been roughly like 20 minutes and I'm gonna take this mask off. I showered, got ready, and here I am. I did a little makeup. So I think this is the best time to learn cooking and try out different stuff. Like I've been cooking a lot lately, and it turns out I'm pretty good at it. Like, not trying to brag, but yeah. But all the things that I've cooked were either fried or sugary and all that unhealthy oily stuff. So today I'm planning to make a salad. It is one of my favorite salads and it is yummy too. It's very healthy but yummy. So I'm going to show you how I make it. And I hope you try it out too because it's very healthy but yummy too. For this salad, you have to take your favorite vegetables, but cucumbers are really important for this salad. I have taken beans, almost a katori. I have taken carrots, and I have taken half a tomato. And tomatoes are very optional because I know many people don't like to eat tomatoes. Now I'm going to steam the three of them. I've added 2 to 3 tablespoons of water into this pressure cooker, and I've added all the vegetables into it. So I've changed back to reality, no makeup. I am here to watch the sunset. I usually come upstairs to watch the sunset around 5-6. So it's dark outside and I've played cards with my family for 2 hours straight. और अभी एक रिचुअली बन चुका है, हम लोग हर रात को कार्ड्स खेल लेते हैं. और अब I'll probably gonna watch YouTube and Netflix, and I haven't watched Money Heist yet, just saying. Because जब चीज़ें इतनी हाइप हो जाती है मेरे को उनको देखने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता है, but let's see. Also now I'll probably gonna continue doing that, or I have a deadline coming. So I'll probably start my assignment today. Let's see. All the leftover biscuits I had at home and tried to make a batter out of it. I've added baking powder into my cake, but you can add any rising agent present in your kitchen, even Eno. This is how my batter looks like after a lot of whipping.